Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the problem. Check the YouTube player volume and your system mixer first, then try a quick restart of the browser or app. Once done, switch to incognito or another browser to rule out extensions. Make sure headphones or speakers work on a phone or another computer to eliminate hardware faults. If external audio works, focus on this device. If not, replace cables or test a different audio output. These early steps save time by narrowing where to fix. Next, you dive deeper into drivers and software. Update or reinstall audio drivers on Windows or verify core audio on Mac OS because driver conflicts often muffle sound. Then clear browser cache, disable extensions, and update the browser or the YouTube app to remove codec hiccups. Inspect audio device selection and sample rate in system settings. Mismatched rates cause weird playback. Also check for apps holding exclusive audio access. Release them so YouTube can use the finish by testing all outputs, wired, Bluetooth, and internal speakers while disabling audio enhancements that alter levels. If the issue persists, reset the browser or app settings and create a fresh user profile to remove corrupted preferences. Once done, reinstall the app or browser if needed. One key troubleshooting tip. If sound is distorted only on one video, check its bitrate and codec. If many videos are affected, focus on drivers, extensions, or system audio settings because the root cause is likely local rather than YouTube.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.